Hi guys, it's Mimi here. I thought for today's video it would be kind of fun to go through and kind of compare printing strategies, what each printable page looks like on the different kind of paper and at different settings and whatnot. So with this layout here, we're looking at it's on a 110-pound cardstock, but this was when my printer was really low on ink. So as you can see, it kind of stopped and it started getting some of these lines, and I have a lot of these layouts printed with that because I had went away while it was printing, so I didn't notice that that was going on, and I'm still going to keep using them. So if you see them in the later videos, just know that like this is only because my printer was running really low on ink, and that's kind of why the purple isn't as vibrant either. This layout was printed in the same go, but a little earlier in the printing process, so that's why the purple is a little bit brighter. But it's on printer paper, like really light copy paper, so the quality still is not that good, and I would definitely recommend printing on your 110-pound cardstock. I got a pack of, I think it was 180 sheets or 200 sheets at Walmart for like $5, so it's really not that much more expensive, and it looks so much better. And here's another one on copy paper. It just isn't as nice. So this one is printed with a lot of ink in the printer, so it wasn't running low on ink, but I accidentally set the settings to 300 DPI. And so it's not as great quality as the ones that I have that are printed with 600 DPI. Like here you can see that the shadows, it's just kind of like muddy looking in my opinion. So if you're printing, definitely set it up to 300 or 600 DPI or whatever the highest setting you have is, because here's one that I did, and this is printed at 600 DPI, full ink and everything. And I don't want to stress you out either when I say full ink, because like even half ink, just like don't have the warning that your ink is running low is what I'm saying. And you can actually get a lot of prints out of your printer depending on which one it is. Mine's the HP OfficeJet 4650. I think I'm saying that right, and it is awesome. I can print like up to 100 pages with one thing of ink. Like, it's crazy. I haven't actually tested it, so don't quote me, but it's awesome. So here, like I said, this is the 600 DPI, and I just think the quality is so much better than this one. And then obviously with the ink situation, you'll also get different results as well. So before you get frustrated, just try and play around with your printer, different settings, different paper, and see what works best for you. But yeah, I hope this kind of was helpful in helping you decide how to print and whatever. And if you need more information on how to print, like a true step-by-step, you can see that video over on my channel. And yeah, I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.